Welcome back to the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. Today, let's dive into the delicious world of the shiitake mushroom, scientifically known as Lentimilla edodes. Let's get into it. Shiitake, native to East Asia, is the second most cultivated mushroom worldwide. Its name comes from the Japanese shi tree, on which it naturally grows, and take means mushroom in the Japanese language. Did you know, shiitake mushrooms are powerhouses of nutrition? They're packed with vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin D, and essential amino acids. Beyond their culinary use, shiitake mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Recent studies suggest they may support immune function and have anti-cancer properties. Enthralled by the shiitake? Discover this, and a variety of other unique mushroom genetics at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. We also have free articles, and even mycology courses too. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting episodes of the Mushroom Minute. If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network, and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.